Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Monday grind is about over, or is over for many of us. Now, there are some free watch faces in the Gear Manager store. We didn't want to do a full review on it simply because we really didn't think you would like it, but then again, free is what it is. It is free. Okay, well with that being said, let's get on to the main event. AK Borderless Dev is giving away some free watch faces, 2 to be exact, so you know what to do. Comment in order to be able to be a part of. And with that, let's go ahead, let's check out the watch face that's going to be given away. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got the watch face by AK Borderless Dev. This watch face looks nice, very unique, and in the always on mode, I'm really liking this look. It's an analog look with the battery percentage right in the center, which is a good look in the always on mode. And when the watch face is on, it looks even better. As you can see in the background, you got an animated look. It's an analog watch face, look at that. And then if you look in the center, you got some animation going there as well. And right here is going to be your battery percentage. That's your needle right there that you see that's red. Very nice look. I'm liking this watch face. But if I double tap the center, I can customize or change the look of the centerpiece of this watch face. We're going to cycle through quite a few of them so you can get an idea of what you're in for when you download this watch face. Very nice, very different. Check this out, very unique. I'm telling you, this is cool. All right, so now all I can do also, well, what I can do also is I can tap on the background, single tap, and I can change the color of the watch face to whatever it is I'm wearing, or just to my favorite color. Not bad at all. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. I thought it was pretty cool. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.